I think it's a good segue maybe into some of the industry challenges. And I know you guys put together some research and reporting. I've seen some of that post event. We've talked about it a couple of times. Few of the areas, regulatory, supply chain pressures, bankability. And then here at Footbridge, one of the areas that we really get into is obviously workforce skills. You mentioned a lot of people coming back. We have a ton of opportunities in the construction, commissioning, that side of gas projects, et cetera, midstream, bringing gas from one place to another, or, T&D, power gen. So maybe talk about some of the stuff that you guys do there with just how you bring insights to people in between events and some of the things that maybe are interesting for you to touch on.
For sure. I think it's good timing because we were just having a meeting on this because, as I mentioned, we've got kind of multiple conference stages under this EPC show banner. So it's always quite interesting to see certain challenges. I mean, the whole reason why we're putting this event together is because there are a lot of challenges that are faced across communities. So whether that's a petrochemical project or it's a gas project or even a clean power project, one of them, and the one that you kind of solved, and is obviously the workforce area, and that's such an interesting dynamic and challenge, particularly where aging is a risk. Always love hearing what a lot of these players are doing, and in terms of engaging younger people as well into projects in a very competitive landscape, and engaging community colleges. I think there's some really good things that key major owner operators and EPCs are doing to kind of encourage the next generation of engineers, which is integral to get all these gigawatts get announced, but you need the people behind it to really put the yards in to get them developed. So that's a huge challenge that we're seeing come up across the board.